Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we will discuss Google Drive and its uses. Google Drive is a cloud storage service provided by Google that allows users to store, access, and share their files and folders on any device with an internet connection. It is similar to other cloud storage services such as Microsoft OneDrive and Dropbox, but it is specifically designed to work seamlessly with other Google products such as Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Google Drive is accessible from any device with an internet connection and a web browser, as well as through dedicated mobile and desktop apps for iOS, Android, and macOS. This allows users to access their files and folders from any location and on any device, as well as share them with others through a variety of methods such as email, links, and permissions. One of the main benefits of using Google Drive is that it enables users to synchronize their files across multiple devices. This means that any changes made to a file on one device will be automatically reflected on all other devices where the file is synced. This makes it easy to work on a document on one device, such as a laptop, and then pick up where you left off on another device, such as a tablet or smartphone. Google Drive also includes a number of features that make it easy to collaborate with others on documents and projects. For example, users can invite others to view or edit a file, add comments to a file, and see who has made changes to a file in real time. This makes it easy for teams to work together on projects and ensures that everyone has the most up-to-date version of a file. Google Drive also includes a number of security features to protect user data. All files and folders stored in Google Drive are encrypted, and users can set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to their account. In addition, Google Drive includes version history, which allows users to view and restore previous versions of a file. This is useful in cases where a file is accidentally deleted or modified. In addition to its cloud storage capabilities, Google Drive also includes a number of other features and tools. For example, it includes a built-in file viewer that allows users to view and edit a variety of file types, including documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, without the need to download or install any additional software. It also includes integrations with other Google products such as Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, which allows users to easily create and edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations directly from their Google Drive account. Google Drive is available in a number of different plans, including a free plan that includes 15 GB of storage and a paid plan that includes additional storage and a number of advanced features such as the ability to store and access files offline, restore deleted files, and more. In summary, Google Drive is a cloud storage service that allows users to store, access, and share their files and folders on any device with an internet connection. It includes a number of features and tools that make it easy to collaborate with others, keep files synchronized across devices, and protect user data. It is a useful tool for individuals and teams looking for a convenient and secure way to store, access, and share their files and documents. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future update. See you in the next video. Peace.